Amazing. So let's take a look now, guys. As you can see here, I'm trading binary options on IQ option. I had problems with another crypto exchange, so they took $1.2 million from my account. My money is still on hold. I tried to withdraw my money from their account, and they said, no, you can't do that. How is this possible? How is this possible? I just wanted to take my money from that account, and that's it. I had no problem. I had really, literally no problem with them. I asked them, why is this possible? Why are you taking my money? They responded that I wasn't using I was using I wasn't following their rules. I mean, I wasn't following their policies. I asked them what policies. They said that the strategy that you are using is against our rules. And the real reason, I understand, the real reason is that I was, yeah, I wasn't losing. That's it. They wanted me to lose. They will make money when you lose money. Remember that. Those most of the crypto exchanges, they will make money when you lose money. Remember that. And I told them that. I was using simply indicators that you provide, the indicators that you personally you provide on your platform. I was using I was using SAR, parabolic SAR, as you can see. I was using Bollinger Bands. I was using RSI, right? What's wrong with this? I was using simply as simple as but they did not respond yet. I'm trying to contact them. I will try to expose them on social media, and hopefully I will get my money back. That's not my thing. I don't know. To be honest, I don't have no clue how to get my money back. So they took my money, and I don't know how should I get my money back. To be honest, I don't know. So let's go back here. Remember, guys, I'm just sharing with you this trading sessions for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you have the same results. If you want to learn my strategy, guys, go to the description below. There is a course. In the course, I will teach you everything I've been learning over the years. Everything I learned over the years is explained in the course in the description below. I invite you to go there and try to learn a thing or two from the course. If you can't, that's okay. You can learn from free stuff on the internet. There's plenty of free stuff. There are plenty of people that will teach you for free. There's books. There's free videos on YouTube. You can learn basic stuff, and then you can develop your own strategy. Trust me, it's not that easy. I make it simple. I'm not misleading you guys. It's not that easy. It's not that simple. But with time, you will become more and more profitable, more and more successful with your tradings, and you will create another win. All right. I still have 4 signals. Still have at least 4 signals. At least 4 signals. Right. At least 4 beautiful signals. So guys, as I was saying, trading is risky. You could lose your money if you don't choose the best or a good platform, a legit platform. You may lose your money. Do you believe that? You may lose your money just because you did not choose or take your time choosing a legit, or you picking the right one for you. So that's what I advise my students to do, is to choose the best platform first before choosing the strategy and before depositing any money. All right, another win. So before depositing any money, I want you to take your time, look for the best platform, and yeah, I guess that with time that will be profitable for you, and yeah, you will make some money. But remember, you will not have the same results as me here, as I'm doing here immediately. This is a simulation. Everything on this channel is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. I'm not saying that you will have the same results. Trust me, it will take you longer to become a better trader, right? So yeah, I want you to take your time. Great. So I guess we still have, yeah, at least two candles. At least two candles. Like this one is going up. This one is going 100%. 100% going up. Right? And the next one, I guess, let's just see what result we have in here, and we will decide the next one. So yeah, I'm investing $500, as you can see. If I'm winning, or if my prediction is right, I'm making $480 or $30, sorry, that's 86% profit. And if my prediction is wrong, I'm losing everything. $500, I'm losing $500. Yeah, the 1 minute expiration time, I'm trading with the 1 minute expiration time. And I'm trading on, for the moment, I'm trading on Pound USD. I like to trade on Pound USD, on Euro USD, on Euro Yen. Yeah, I don't like to choose assets that are not usual and I'm not frequently using. All right. Yeah, so let's invest $400. This one is going 100% going down, right? 100% going down. And yeah, if my prediction is right, that will be great. That will be great, right? Yeah. IQ option, I may say that IQ option is legit. With my experience with IQ option, I can say that IQ option is legit. Sorry. Yeah, I never had problem with IQ. They may give you some hard time letting you withdraw your money from their account, from their platform, but they always give me my money, even if it's not that easy. But they give me my money. They give me my money. That's okay. But with this crypto exchange, I don't know why, but I felt like there's something wrong, because once I was making a small amount of money, I was making $10,000, $20,000. They never said anything. Just waited for me to make a large amount. And once I made over $1 million, they decided, nope, we will take your money. And they took everything. They took everything and they left me nothing. Now my money is on hold. I don't know if they took it. I don't know if I'm getting it back. But yeah, guys, I guess that this is the last trade. And I will stop. Okay.